and welcome back. Today I want to share with y'all another Mexican recipe to go along with this collaboration that I've been doing. But before I do that, I did want to mention that there's another lady that is participating that I didn't get to mention last time, but her name is Vicky from Vickies Country Home. So definitely go check her out, as well as the other ladies I mentioned in my last video. They'll all be linked down below, so definitely go check their videos out as well. They have some yummy stuff. Oh, and I also wanted to just extend the welcome. I've had some new subscribers, some that I've heard from in the comments, some that I haven't, but welcome again, and I'm very happy to have you. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the ingredients are pretty simple. I have about two little cloves of garlic, and really that depends on how much garlic you like in your guacamole, because nobody can tell you how much garlic is too much garlic. So really that's up to you to decide. This time I'm going to be using a mortar and pestle to mash it up, because I've seen somebody do that, and so I figured I'd try that out to see if I like it. I have 3 avocados, 1 lime that I'll juice, and I'll add ½ a teaspoon of pink sea salt. Also, I know I'm going to get asked about this. This is actually a biscuit cutter, but I use it to grind meat with, like ground meat, and also in like egg salad or stuff like this. Works great. Just a little tip there. But let's get right to it. Y'all, I don't like it this way. 10 out of 10, don't recommend. Of my despairing cry, from the waters lifted me, now safe am I. Love lifted me, love lifted me, when nothing else could help. Love lifted me, love lifted me, love lifted me, when nothing else could help. Love lifted me. Okie dokie, let's get to mashing. That definitely didn't go how I planned, but y'all, let's try this. These are the chips I'm gonna use. I don't know if they're good, but the bag was pretty. Bag was hard to open too. Pretty good chips. And pretty good dip too. That's how I like it. And And I also wanted to share with y'all something my mom always used to do growing up. Whenever she would make guacamole, she would add cottage cheese. And I know a lot of y'all on here know her, but growing up we had 4 of us kids, me, my 2 sisters, and my brother, so we could put down some guacamole. So to try to stretch it, she would put cottage cheese in it, and it's actually really good. So I'm gonna do that. Some in there. I think she probably did about half and half. Let's see. Let's do that. About half and half. And you could probably put more garlic and stuff in there if you did do this, but it's actually like super good. She's like that blue as well. It's still good. Definitely try that. I think it's really good. I think it adds to it. It's almost like adding like ricotta cheese or something like that to it. I better put this down because I will eat the whole thing like right now, right in front of this camera. Anyways, alright y'all, thank y'all so much for watching and happy cooking.